Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Right now I want to talk to you guys about how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, because I've got so many questions about it, that how can you get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, first of all, you need to know that you need to be very consistent on YouTube before you can even get up to that 1,000 subscribers. That's if you are not maybe buying subs or anything, or if you are doing it organically. You need to be very serious and consistent on your YouTube journey. Right now, guys, I want to actually give you guys some tips and tricks for you to actually get your first 1,000 subscribers. That's your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, guys. So with that being said, without any further ado, if you're new here, you are literally welcome. What we do on this channel is basically give you tips and tricks for you to actually make money online, those ideas, those ways for you to actually make money online, and for you to actually grow, and with time grow a real business for yourself that will give you lifetime source of income. With that being said, guys, let's get into this short break. I will come back and dissect these tips and tricks for you to actually get more subscribers and your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. With that being said, guys, let's get into the video. All right, so welcome back from that short break, and right now the first on my list. But before that, before I give you guys the first tip, please, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that like button. You are actually helping the analysis, or helping these to actually reach out to more people and create more engagement on this video. Guys, with that being said, let's get into the first one. The first one on my list is actually using your own WhatsApp, your WhatsApp application that you have on your phone right now. Now, there are ways for you to actually do that, either by direct DM, that's the first one. Groups, that's sharing your links, or groups, that's your YouTube channel link or your video or something like that. When you've actually created your video, you pick up the link, share it on your groups and DMs, and after that you can actually share it again on your status. After sharing it on your status, you can create a broadcast message. Now, broadcast message is actually literally picking out at least 200 plus people to actually share it at once to all of them. So when you do that broadcast message, I'm sure you'll get a whole lot of subscribers for yourself, even at that first day. So with consistency, as I said earlier, you can make your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very easy with WhatsApp. Now, the second one is actually looking for influencers. Now, you can pay influencers to actually influence for you, and it will actually help you a whole lot, because let's say you pay influencer, let's say you pay an Instagram influencer to help you, just give you a shout out or a channel shout out or anything. If you don't want to actually go to the Instagram space to actually promote yourself, you can go to bloggers. Now, bloggers, that's in the sense that you can go to websites, that's people, owners of websites, the CEOs of websites. Tell them to actually give you a shout out, give them, maybe, for example, maybe they'll write a biography for you, what you do, or something like that. Just literally embed your YouTube channel link so you can get more traffic, more subscribers, more views to your channel. Now, that would actually give you your first $1,000, but the thing is that you need to invest in yourself before you can actually make money off YouTube. Now, that's the second one on my list, or the second one which I actually have. Now, the third one is actually a black hat method. Now, this black hat method is not actually advisable for you, seriously, because YouTube is strongly against it. That's buying of YouTube subscribers, engagement, like, and views. Now, you can do it, but if you can do it in a coded way, I don't know. But seriously, if you can do it, I have no mouth, or I have nothing to say about it. But seriously, there's a way you can actually do it, which I wouldn't actually talk about on this video. Now, the next one on my list is actually buying my course. Now, I actually have a course, a YouTube course. I didn't actually create the course. I bought the course also, and it's actually helping a lot. Or you can actually, go to TubeBuddy, that's YouTube Helps, TubeBuddy, anyone, literally, TubeBuddy, Money Fame, VidIQ. You can subscribe to their stuffs, and they'll give you tags, titles that will help you broaden your YouTube channel, in the sense that it will actually give you more traffic Now let me give you the analysis which I'm trying to break out here. Now when you make a video, you wouldn't actually know the perfect search tag which you ought to actually put. That's the perfect title. Now on YouTube, there's a search bar which everyone actually comes to YouTube uses that search bar to search whatever he wants. Now there's a volume or a particular people that searches for that thing every day, or that particular topic every day, every week, or even every month. There's a particular amount of people that do that. So VidIQ now will come, or if you say Money Frame or all these people, VidIQ, TubeBuddy or Money Frame, can use any of them. All of them are tested and trusted. Now these guys will actually analyze this whole stuff and they will know, okay, this is the best search tag that people are actually searching for, which you can actually put it there so that you can rank at the first and you can rank at number 1 on YouTube when people are searching for that particular search tag or title. Yes guys, so that's the one which I actually have. If you want to actually do the free one, you can go to supertools.com and there's actually a free search machine or search engine there that will actually give you some analysis for you to actually also broaden your channel by helping you. It's actually free. Supertools is actually free. And shall I say the last but not the least one on my list is no other one but helping yourself grow organically. Now you can help yourself grow organically by doing this being consistent on YouTube. Now first of all, I wouldn't actually advise you to create your channel first. Make the videos first, make your thumbnails, your titles, get at least 10 or 20 videos dropped down first, well edited, well analyzed, well researched about, give valuable content on it. Research on your topic, that's your search topic or search tag. Drop down your search tags also, and I think when you have 20 of them, then you create your channel. Now what I'm trying to say is that YouTube are promoting consistent people. Now when you have at least 20 videos down, and I wouldn't say you should have 20 videos and just leave it like that. No, you have 20 videos at hand. When you create your channel first, that day when you create your channel, you publish a video there. After that, you can still publish like 2 or 3 videos that same day. When you publish those videos, well searched, well everything, well analyzed, the next you can keep on doing it every day. Now YouTube will sense it that okay, this channel is actually trying to be consistent, then they will keep on pushing more people to your channel so you can get more subscribers, more engagement, more likes and views. Now that's when you get your first 1,000 subscribers very, very fast. If you can do what I just said, at least within 1 or 2 months, you can get your first $1,000. Sorry, your first 1,000 subscribers. So that will be the end of this video. If this video is actually anyhow or is actually helpful to you, please don't forget to hit the like button so that more people can see this analysis which we're actually sharing here, and also subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so you wouldn't actually miss out on any video which we actually publish on this channel. With that being said, guys, and without much ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my 7 subscribers, welcome back. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. You're the real deal, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.